Okay, see question number 2. Consider a triangle ABC having the vertices A 1 2, B alpha beta, C gamma delta. See here in triangle among three vertices we know only one vertex. Remaining two vertices we don't know. Alpha beta, gamma delta we don't know. Angles they have given. Angle ABC means angle B is pi by 6. Angle BAC means angle A is 2 pi by 3. If the points B and C lie on the equation, that means see one triangle, what we can say, side they have given as a line, y is equal to x plus 4. Then what is the value of alpha square plus gamma square? Alpha, gamma, that means x value how to find. Both are in x place, these are there. Okay, now to get this question, see what I want to say. I am going to draw the, what we can say, triangle figure. Okay, see, this is approximately 120 degree. Okay, this you take as A, because BAC means A, angle A, pi by 3 means 60 into 2, 120. Okay, and ABC, like that you take. This you take as B, and pi by 6 means 30 degree. This is C. This angle we don't bother. Okay, this angle we don't bother. But this equation they have given, BC equation. BC is y is equal to x plus 4. A point also they have given 1, 2. Okay, whatever the data they have given, all I have written. Whatever the data. Now step by step I will proceed. First of all, let me find this slope of BC. Slope of BC, comma, y is equal to mx plus c implies y is equal to x plus 4 implies m is equal to 1. Okay, slope I have got. Now what is the theta? Theta is equal to 30 degree. This 30 degree. Why I have written this theta? Why? Because one equation is there. What is that equation? I am writing. See, equation of a line with theta degree angle with other line. That means at least one line you should have. If you have that line, why? Because this line we don't know. This line you know. This line equation you can find. Provided theta you should have. Slope by equation you can find. Slope already I have found. Okay. What is that equation? I am writing you see. That is equal to, like in place I am writing. Okay. Okay. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m plus or minus tan theta by 1 plus or minus m tan theta. Okay. Now see, this line means it has to satisfy 1 2 also. BA, line BA. That means what I am writing? I am writing, observe carefully, line BA. Line BA, comma I am writing. See, y minus y1 2 by x minus x1 1 is equal to m 1 plus or minus tan 30 by 1 plus or minus m 1 only. Again I am writing tan 30 degree. See here, both plus both minus, if you take y minus 2 by x minus 1 is going to give 1. That is not going to help us. I am going to take like this, you see. Two cases, y minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 plus tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan 30 degree, or 1 minus tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan 30 degree. Why? Because if you take these two, you are going to get two values, x values. Those are your alpha and gamma. Square and add, you get that answer. Okay. If you take both same, plus plus minus minus, then you are not going to get this value. Okay. You try it. I have already tried. That is why I am telling. Okay. Now see. Right now, first case I am taking y minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 plus tan 30 means 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3, or 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3, comma I am keeping. Again, y minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to, see, root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 minus 1. Okay. Or root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. See, divided by root 3, divided by root 3 got cancelled like you think. Okay. See, here you have to do separate rationalization. Then only we can get this answer. Okay, see how I am doing this rationalization. Rationalization I am doing. You see, first root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Denominator conjugate I have taken. Denominator is going to become a square minus b square. 3 minus 1. Okay. 3 minus 1, a square minus b square, 3 minus 1. But this is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is equal to, see, 3 minus 1 is 2, denominator. Numerator also 4 plus 2 root 3 means 2. If I take common, 2 plus root 3. 2 will get cancelled. That means, see, this is going to become 2 plus root 3. What about remaining? Remaining are 2 minus root 3. This is going to become 2 minus root 3. Understand? Okay. Now wait. Why? Because see, that much easily you don't get. Why? Because here y value again you have to take x plus 4. Y value. Okay. Then only you will get x value. Okay. Given y is equal to x plus 4, that implies x plus 4 minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to 2 plus root 3 or 2 minus root 3. Okay. Okay. X plus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into 2 plus root 3, or x plus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into 2 minus root 3. Okay. Okay. Let me, what we can do. X plus 2 is equal to, first one case I will take 2x plus root 3x minus 2 minus root 3. Okay, see, this comes here 1x, which is going to become 1x. X plus 1 plus root 3 into x. 1 plus root 3 into x, this side. It goes this side, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus root 3. Okay. Or else what is x value? X value is 4 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. Okay. Now, shall I do rationalization? Why? Because see, x value, denominator without what we can say square root I will make. Why? Because afterwards you have to find, see, the 1x is going to become your alpha. Why? Because in x plus alpha gamma are there. X plus alpha beta gamma delta are there. Okay, that is why x values only you are finding. 1x you take as alpha, 1x you see anyway square and adding. Okay, that is not a problem. But you see here that is equal to into 1 minus root 3 by 1 minus root 3. Okay, now I will do here little bit. Then we will go that side. Okay, see, denominator you see root 3 minus 1 you take. One plus root 3 or root 3 plus 1 both are same. Better you take the bigger one, root 3 plus 1. Okay. See, denominator a square minus b square means again that is going to become 2 only. X is equal to 2. Okay. But there you see 4 plus root 3 into root 3 minus 1. 4 root 3 minus root 3. 4 into root 3, 4 root 3 minus 1 root 3, 3 root 3. Okay. Next, minus 4 plus 3. Because see 4 into minus 1, minus 4, root 3 into root 3, 3. Minus 4 plus 3 means minus 1. Okay, this is one value. Let this is I am taking as alpha. Okay, 3 root 3 minus 1 I have taken as alpha. I am boxing it. Okay, see how we have got this because we have taken this top one. Now I am going to take bottom one, 2 minus root 3. Why? Because 2 plus root 3 we have taken. Now we are going to take 2 minus root 3 also. What I do now, I am going to remove, see anyway we are getting alpha and beta values. After getting alpha and beta values we will square and add. That is why I am going to remove this green and blue color. Okay. Okay, let me write. Now, x, this one. X plus 2 is equal to, second one. X plus 2 is equal to 2 minus root 3 into x. 2 minus root 3 into x. Plus root 3 minus 2. Plus root 3 minus 2. Okay. Now what I do? X I will send this side. If I send x this side, 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1 minus root 3. Here 1 plus root 3. Yes. 1 minus root 3 into x. Okay. Minus 1x. Minus 1x means 2 minus 1. 1. 1 minus root 3x. Okay, if this goes that side, minus 2 plus 2, 4 minus root 3. 4 minus root 3. Here 4 plus root 3, okay, reverse. Okay. Now what is x then? X is equal to 4 minus root 3 by 1 minus root 3. Here root 3 bigger one is having negative, you don't have any option, you have to continue. 1 plus root 3 by 1 plus root 3 rationalization if I do, a square minus b square, 1 minus 3 minus 2 it is going to become. Don't worry, why? Because anyway we are squaring, no problem, okay. Denominators are going to become after squaring equal. This 4 minus 3, 1. 4 into 1, 4, minus root 3 into root 3, minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 root 3 minus root 3. 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3. Earlier, 3 root 3 minus 1, but 3 root 3 plus 1 here. 3 root 3 plus 1. Okay, no problem. 3 root 3 plus 1. Okay, now I am going to remove this red line also. Okay, this. Now this, as we have taken alpha, this I am taking as this gamma letter. Okay, now let us square and add. Alpha square plus gamma square is equal to, see, 3 root 3 minus 1 whole square plus 3 root 3 plus 1 whole square by 2 square. Why 2 square? Why? Because the minus 2 square also 2 square only. As a LCM I have taken. Both denominators are same. Okay. Denominator is 4. That is not a problem. But here you see a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. 2a square plus 2b square. 2a square plus 2b square. B square means what? 3 square 9 into 3 27 by 4. Okay, that is equal to, see, 20, this 2 times 28 by 2, that is equal to 14. See, 14 will be your answer. Let us go for next question.